Biology Chapter 5 Morphology of Flowering Plants of Class 11th. The seeds. A fertilized ovule develops into a seed. It consists of seed coat and embryo. The embryo is made up of an embryo axis and one cotyledon. Example wheat, maize, or two cotyledon. Example gram and pea. Structure of dicotyledonous seed. The outermost covering of seed is the seed coat, which consists of two layers, the outer testa and the inner tegmen. A small scare called hilum present on the seed coat represents the point where developing seed was attached to the fruit. Above the hilum is a small pore called micropyle. Within the seed coat lie an embryo. The embryo consists of embryonal axis and two cotyledon. The cotyledon are often fleshy and contain reserve food material. At the two ends of the embryonal axis are present the radicle and the plumule. In some seeds such as castor, a food storing tissue called endosperm is present, which are known as the endospermic seeds, while in many others such as pea, gram, bean, the endosperm is absent. In mature seeds, they are known as the non-endospermic seeds. Structure of monocotyledonous seed or maize grain. In the seeds of cereals such as maize, the seed coat is membranous and generally fused with the fruit wall. Such single-seeded fruit are called grains. Generally, monocotyledonous seeds are endospermic with endosperm, but some example orchid are non-endospermic, that is without endosperm. The endosperm is bulky and store food. Its outer layer is proteinaceous and is called aileron layer. The embryo is small and situated at one end of endosperm. It consists of one large shield-shaped cotyledon called scutellum and a small axis with a plumule and a radicle. The plumule and radicle are enclosed in sheet called coleoptile and coleoryza respectively. Semi-technical description of a typical flowering plant. Description. Various morphology features are used to describe a flowering plant. A flowering plant is described in scientific language and in a proper sequence, that is, its habitat, vegetative and floral characters. After describing a various part of the plant, floral formula and floral diagram are represented. Symbols used in floral formula. BR stands for bracteate, K stands for calyx, C stands for corolla, P for perianth, A for androecium, G for gynoecium, G below line superior ovary, G above line stands for inferior ovary, male, female, bisexual flower, actinomorphic, zygomorphic, fusion or adhesive. The number with above letters indicate the number of respective floral appendages. The cohesion is indicated by enclosing the number within the bracket or bracket and adhesive by a line drawn above the two symbols of the floral part. Floral diagram. A floral diagram represents the ground plane of the flower and provides following information: the number of parts in the different walls of the flower, their arrangement and their relation with another, the cohesion and adhesion within part of the walls and between wall. A dot on the top of floral diagram represents the position of mother axis. Calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium are drawn in a successive walls with calyx being the outermost and the gynoecium at the innermost or at the center. A floral diagram and the floral formula of the mustard plant family Brassicaceae is presented in the figure. Some important families. Fabaceae, pea family. This family was earlier called Papilionaceae, a subfamily of family Leguminosae. It is distributed all over the world. Vegetative characteristics. Habitat. Trees, shrubs, herbs or climbers. Stem. Erect or climber. Root. Taproot system with root nodules. Leaves. Alternate, stipulate, simple or pinnately compound. Leaf base pulvinous. Reticulate venation. Inflorescence. Solitary, axillary or racemose. Flower. Bracteate, zygomorphic, bisexual, hypogynous, pentamerous. Calyx, sepals 5, gamosepalous, valvate or sepal anterior, persistent. Corolla, petals 5, polypetalous, papilionaceous, consisting of a large posterior standard, two lateral wings and two anterior ones no forming keel. Vexillary estivation. Androecium, stamens 10, didelphous, anther dithecus. Gynoecium, monocarpellary, ovary superior, unilocular, with many ovules on a marginal placenta, single style, bent at a right angle of the ovary. Fruit, legume or pod, with many non-endospermic seeds. Here floral formula and floral diagram has been also given. Economic importance. Many plants of this family are the sources of pulses. Example gram, arhar, seam, mung, soybean. Edible oil. Example soybean, groundnut. Dye, indigofera. Fibrous. Example sun hemp. Fodder. Example Sesbania trifolium. Ornamental plants of this family are lupine, sweet pea, and medicinal plant is mulethi. Second family is Solanaceae. It is the large potato family. It is widely distributed in tropics, subtropics, and even temperate zone. Vegetative characteristics. Habitat, plants mostly herbs, shrubs or small trees. Stem, herbaceous, rarely wood, erect, hairy or underground in potato. Solanum tuberosum. Leaves, exstipulate, alternate, simple or pinnately compound, reticulate venation. Inflorescence, solitary, axillary or cyme or cymose in solanum. Flower, bisexual, actinomorphic, hypogynous, pentamerous. Calyx, sepals 5, gamosepalous, valvate estivation, persistent. Corolla, petals 5, gamopetalous, valvate estivation. Androecium, stamens 5, epipetalous. Gynoecium, bicarpellary, syncarpous, ovary superior, obliquely placed, bilocule with many ovules on swollen axial placenta. Fruits, berry or capsule. Seeds, many endospermic. Here is the floral characters and floral formula, floral diagram of the Solanaceae family. Economic importance of Solanaceae family. Many plants of this family are sources of food. Example tomato, brinjal, potato. Spice. Example chili. Medicinal plants. Example belladonna and ashwagandha. Fumigatory. Example tobacco. Ornamental plant is a petunia. Third family is a Liliaceae, or it is also known as the lily family. A characteristic representative of monocotyledonous plant. It is distributed worldwide. Vegetative characters. Habitat, generally herbaceous with a parietal underground stem. It may be bulb, corm or rhizome. Leaves, mostly basal, alternate extrapolate linear parallel venation. Inflorescence solitary or cymos, often umbellate cluster. Flower actinomorphic, bisexual, hypogynous, trimerous. Perianth tepal 6 in two whorls of 3 each, 3 plus 3, often united. Valvate estivation. Androecium stamen 6 in two whorls of 3 plus each, 3 plus 3. Epiphyllous Gynoecium tricarpillary, syncarpous, ovary superior, trilocular with many ovules, axile placentation. Fruit capsule, rarely berry. Seed endospermic. Here floral formula and floral diagram of Allium cepa or onion plant has been given. Economic importance. Many plants of this family are ornamental. Example tulip gloriosa. Medicinal plant is aloe vera or aloe. Vegetative or vegetable plant is asparagus and colchicine from Colchium autumnal. It is the medicinal used.